Iteration while loops. Iteration statements, such as a while loop, change the flow of control by repeating a set of statements 0 or more times until a condition is met. This is an example of a while loop, showing the syntax. A Boolean expression is evaluated at the beginning of the loop. If the Boolean expression is true, then the body of the loop will execute. If the Boolean expression is false, then the body of the loop will not execute. This is the code block that is executed each time the loop runs. Notice that a semicolon is missing from the while statement. A semicolon indicates to Java the end of a programming statement. The end of the while statement is not until after the body of the loop. The loop control variable should be declared and initialized before the while loop. The program statement that increments the loop control variable will be found in the body of a while loop. The incrementing of the variable is done automatically in the for loop, but not in the while loop. Since loops depend on a Boolean expression, it is possible for a program to get stuck in an infinite loop, as in this example. Since val is never less than 0, the Boolean expression always evaluates to true, and this loop will run forever. A loop is an infinite loop when the Boolean expression always evaluates to true. If the Boolean expression is false initially, it's also possible to have a case where the loop never executes, as shown in this example. Consider a while loop within a non-void method, such as this example. Once the return statement is executed, program flow of the while loop terminates and the method exits and returns to the calling code. All loops can easily be written as either a for loop or a while loop. A rule of thumb is to use a for loop when you know or can easily calculate how many times you need to iterate, and use a while loop when you do not know or cannot easily calculate how many times the program must iterate. Programmers tend to gravitate towards one kind of loop over another as a personal preference, unless an algorithm performs better with a certain one. To recap while loops. A while loop is used when a set of instructions needs to be executed until a certain condition is met. The main component of while loops is the Boolean expression that determines if the loop will run or not. The loop control variable should be declared and initialized before the while loop. The program statement that increments the loop control variable will be found in the body of a while loop. A loop is an infinite loop when the Boolean expression always evaluates to true. If the Boolean expression evaluates to false initially, the loop body is not executed at all.